Ladies and gentlemen, everyone is curious about how to earn $10,000 a month while still being a student. The challenge is there's so much noise and misinformation out there, with people make it seem much easier than it actually is. So, in today's video, I'm going to break down the 3 key elements you need to focus on to realistically hit that goal. And once you have watched this video, I will leave you a link in the description. That link will take you to another recent video of mine where I share my viral video blueprint, a step-by-step guide on how to create content that grabs attention, drives results. Now, let's get into it. First thing you need to achieve $10,000 a month as a student is the right vehicle. Let me explain what that means. You need a method or opportunity substantial enough to generate that kind of income, but it also has to be practical and achievable while balancing everything else you are managing as a student. For me, the shift came when I started combining creativity with strategy. I have always been passionate about creating value and understanding what truly connects with people. While still a student, I started working on projects like content creation, video editing, and offering freelance services. This became my vehicle to generate income, and it worked because I focused on things I was already skilled in or deeply interested in. Let me be clear. Earning $10,000 a month isn't simple. It doesn't happen overnight. But when you focus on the right business model and develop system to deliver consistent results, you can build momentum. The truth is, methods like trading or high-risk investments aren't the answer. Sure, they're hyped up a lot online, but they come with huge risks, and most people end up losing more than they make. Instead, invest your time and resources into an online business or a skill-based service has far better potential. Let's say you have $1,000 to start with. If you put that into building a lean online business, whether it's a content creation agency, editing service, or managing ads for brands, you could see a real results by the end of the year. Maybe isn't $10,000 a month immediately, but breaking free from the limitation of a 9-to-5 job, it is absolutely achievable. Here's another piece of advice. Prioritize free cash flow. You don't want to tie up all your earnings in inventory or assets that you can't quickly access. For example, some business models like traditional e-commerce might sound appealing, but they require constant reinvestment into inventory, leaving you little to no profit to take home. On the other hand, service-based businesses like creating marketing content, managing social media platforms, or handling ads for e-commerce brands offer faster cash flow and higher margins. These are businesses where you can scale your income without needing a huge upfront investment. If you are serious about making $10,000 a month, you need to think about what skills or resources you already have and how you can leverage them. If you are ready to take it to the next level, don't forget to check my viral video blueprint. The link this in the description. It's packed with insights on how I create content that not only went viral, but also helped me grow brands and businesses. Success isn't about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and having the right vehicle. So take action, focus on what works, and start building something meaningful today. Stay sharp, create content, and I will see you in the next cut.